2 pounds of large shrimp, about 10 ounces of some Dollar Tree Bulgogi sauce I made. That looks like 10 ounces. I bought the Bulgogi marinade and then bought pears, apples, mandarin oranges, low sodium soy sauce, garlic shallot, and what else was in there? Molasses. Alright, wait for it. Quick toss. I put a lot of shallot because I like shallot. And time for the stove. Bring on the fire. About 5 minutes and we're done. But when you cook shrimps, it releases just a little bit of fluid. And I don't use cornstarch or flour. I want it to stick. Tablespoon and a half. Whole psyllium husk powder. 2 tablespoons. This stuff is magic. Look at that, right? Amazing, right? Love it.